What's up everyone, Delvon Digital here, and as promised, I'm doing my photo shoot with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I got my lovely model. Say hi to the people. And I got my cameraman in the back. So say what's up, bro.
Hey, what's up?
All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this video. Hope you enjoy it. Hey, sorry to disrupt this video, but I just want to tell you about my Lightroom / Photoshop presets. If you're into photography or mobile photography, I know it could be hard for some of you beginners out there to figure out where to start at and what's a good base when editing your photos. Well, I got you. I have 2 preset packs just for you that will get you started. All you got to do is click that link down below and check out the packs and go ahead and find which one works for your style and what you like to do. And in these 2 packs, you have over 15 presets to choose from to your liking. And just remember, these are a baseline start. So that means you might have to do a little bit of tweaking to the light based off your conditions, because all lighting conditions are not treated equally. So all of my mobile photographers, amateur photographers, professional photographers, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and check out those packs, grab your presets, and start editing. Anyways, let's get back to the video, everyone. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this shot right here. All right, perfect. Got it. On that ground, on that ground. That's it. So just a little context for how my settings are in the phone right now. So I have the rich HDR turned off and I have the ultra HDR turned off in the settings. You can find that in the actual advanced menu. I also have 50 megapixel raw files turned on as well. Well, 50 megapixel raw files turned on, raw mode. Of course, I have that turned on, and I also have the manual switching of the lenses so I can go through the lenses. Now, I'm the type of person who likes to shoot with the main lens only, so in this video, you will see me shooting mainly with the main lens and sometimes a little bit, maybe the telephoto. And the reason why I like to shoot with the main lens, because it already has this natural bokeh to it, where it gives you nice separation from your subject in the background without using portrait mode. That's a little bit messy with the cutouts a little bit on this device. So if you shoot in natural with the lens naturally without the bokeh or without the, I guess, the portrait mode, you can go back later and actually add a little bit more bokeh to it using the AI that's on Photoshop or in Lightroom, which I use pretty much Photoshop to edit all of these videos. And you can just add a little bit more bokeh to it to give you that clean cutout. So when people will be wondering why my cutouts be so clean, it's because I just shoot with the regular main lens for all my portrait shots. And normally, if I want to add more blur, I do. And if I don't, I just let it be like it is, because it's enough to make your photo pop a little bit more. So I really stay away from portrait mode. Pixels, portrait mode has fallen off so much that I just don't care to use it anymore. And plus, the main sensor to me has enough bokeh in it for me to actually enjoy a photo. Especially the closer that you get to your subject, the more natural bokeh you're gonna get, and you never have to worry about any messy cutouts and stuff like that. So keep that in mind when you're out there shooting. Perfect. So before we go any further, I want to let you know that this shot right here is going to look a little different than the pose inside the photo, because as always, I forgot to actually turn on my action camera and I did half the photo shoot, but I'm glad it happened because some of the poses that I recreated were a lot better than the first one. So let's continue with the video. That's it. All right, so you're gonna stand right there. Perfect. I'm gonna get 2 shots of this. I'm gonna get a close one, the wide. Perfect. Crawling away. Can we swap it off? Okay. All right.
I gotta go up against it.
Yeah. If you can get close where it look like you're leaning against, I don't care. I just need to either lean or. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, so let's go ahead and try to get this shot right here. This looks good, really, really good. The lighting is so perfect. Perfect, touch your head this way. Let me see how that look. There we go, get in there. That look good, that looks, he said my snack. All right, I think we're good. Oh, let's try to, that, and then when I'm gonna go over there and that'll be my last shots. So listen, if you're interested in learning how to take better shots with your smartphone or even your Pixel, which the one I use, Pixel 8 Pro or the Pixel 7 Pro, 9 Pro, 6 Pro, whatever Pixel you have, because I do a lot of Pixel videos. But if you want to learn how to become a photographer, I have 2 videos out teaching you my different techniques of how to get better photos and better portraits with your smartphone. So go ahead and check those videos out right after this video, and let's get back to the video. All right, here we go. Perfect. Get that. All right, yeah, I like that. Go ahead and get this. The only problem, hold on, I'll come right here, because I don't want to get that either. Nope, for that pole. Turn towards the middle of it. That's it right there. I might have to edit that out. Oh, look down off the shoulder. Yeah, you close your eyes. That's it. I might have to edit a lot of it though. You guys know with me, when it comes to the Pixel phones, I like to actually use them as a professional tool and not just point and shoot when I'm out there. That's for other channels that do a lot of point and shoot tests. But if you are a photo enthusiast or you want to become a photographer or you use your smartphone for photography, this is what this video is for. And this is why I make these videos, because I try to make them for the more enthusiast people and the people that want to take better pictures and become like photographers, who's going to go through the process of shooting in RAW, who's going to go through the process of editing the photos and then sharing them out there, you know, as if it was a, you know, dedicated camera out there, unless you got a, you know, Canon or Sony or Pentax or whatever camera that you, Fuji, doesn't really matter. This is for those type of people. I make these type of videos for that, because a lot of people be wondering in the comments a lot, like, you know, what the original look like, point and shoot and all that stuff like that. I'm like, no, please. This is not that channel. This is, if you want that, there's so many different channels out there that got iPhone comparisons and Samsung comparisons, where they go out and they just take side-by-side shots, and then you say which one that you like better, and you know, because the light looks slightly better over here and over there in the situations. That's boring to me. I'm not that type of person. I'm more of like, you know what I'm saying, let me show you what this tool can do. If you got this tool, I'm gonna get out the best output of this camera that you can do, just like I do my professional cameras. I spend time getting the best output of it, and I feel like the Pixel, or any other phone for that matter, should be treated exactly the same. Not for everyone, but for the ones that do, and I'm happen to be one of those people, and I'm catering to that type of an audience. So if you want the Versus and the original files and all that stuff like that, you can go somewhere else. But if you want to learn how to be more of a photo enthusiast and photographer or whatever with your cell phone, you are at the right spot. So let's just continue with the video now. All right, so I want you to take your hands and put them up like this. Pop your hip like that. There you go. That's it. And hold that. Perfect. Good. Give me, oh gosh. Stepped in dog poop, y'all. With my new shoes, look, right there. Oh yeah, I survived it. I survived it. All right, same pose. Wide shot. Well, I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and actually got something out of it. If you made it to the end of this video, drop a camera emoji in there. Let me know that you made it all the way to the end of the video. And as always, I definitely appreciate you coming through and watching the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, and you know, when I get other devices, I will do the same exact things. So just keep tuned in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.